Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Kingdom Come Deliverance 2. Give me... Save your schnapps. Who is there? Who saw me? I'm the devil. They don't see me coming, usually. Let's get this guy. Bam. I don't know where I'm in. This was a miss. This guy is dead. Oh, come on, this guy almost ran into it. Bye. Another one. Bye. Come on, all one by one. Thank you. You want to try this as well? Too bad. Thank you. Thank you for your donation. Let's see if you have anything of interest for me. Thank you. Oh, this doesn't look that good. At least a strong sailor schnapps as well. Thank you. Is this the place? Another lockpick. Where is it coming? This Melanies. Okay, that's also nice. This was actually not bad. What's up?
Look what I have for you.
You get something to eat. So what kind of armor did we get from these guys? We have like a Milanese. Where is it? Ah, second class, but it's quite expensive, even though it's not really These are level 22. I have a bit better ones. Too bad. Okay, let's get back to Kuttenberg and talk to these guys. Riding through the forest and on a road through Miskovitz and letting Miskovitz behind us over the road again. No, carry on. I don't want to get involved in anything of that. I have something to complete, which I might have to wait for tomorrow. So I will proceed.
Hey.
Hey, no, I'm leaving already. Oh, if he's walking there, we'll talk to him. Who's this guy? Hey, Voyta! You know what?
I went to the dugout you mentioned.
And? What did you see?
I have to say, I expected a bit more. Place was a wreck.
I beg your pardon, my lord. I only hope you didn't contract gangrene or mites.
Very droll. I like the scarecrow standing there on an anthill. It almost startled me at a distance.
What? Hugo is still there?
Hugo?
I made him with my friends when I was just a lad. Back then, we heard that in some Kuttenberg tavern, they have a skeleton called Hugo. And we'd have done anything to see him. But the city was too far, so we made our own. He doesn't look much like a skeleton, but we didn't know that then. We were very young.
I saw a few wooden swords. Not the kind knights use for practice, though. They looked more like toys.
Aye. My grandfather made those for us. God. We used to fight with them till we were all black and blue. My body aches just thinking about it.
I found an old wagon near the dugout. At least what was left of it.
Don't even remind me. Me and the lads borrowed it from Farmer Tokchek. Without his permission, of course. We used to drag it up the hill and ride it all the way down. That is, until we crashed it into a tree, and it ended up in pieces. Only old Tokchek started asking around about it. So we hid it under a tree near the dugout and pretended not to know anything.
Well, it wasn't as abandoned as you said it was. There's some sort of madman living there.
What? A madman? That's strange. Unless... No, that's impossible. Did you talk to him? What did he say?
He didn't say anything. He just lunged at me and tried to kill me. Eventually he calmed down, but then he started spouting nonsense. Like he didn't even notice I was there. He mentioned you, someone called Libor, and Burkhard. He said Burkhard killed you. That Voyta is dead.
And now you're worried you've been talking to a dead man this whole time, eh? Really? Sounds like a coincidence. I'm sure Burkhard has killed many Voytas.
That's a bit too many coincidences for my taste. Are you sure you don't have something to tell me? Go on.
Yeah.
You know you
go
can
on.
trust me.
No,
You see-
maybe.
That dugout. We always used to meet up there, me and my two friends. Libor, who it seems you've met, and Voyta.
And this real Voyta, he was your friend, right?
Aye. Though I wasn't much of a good friend to him. Everything that happened, it was my fault. They killed him because of me.
So you knew Libor lives in the dugout? That's why you sent me there?
No, I really thought it was abandoned. The last I heard of Libor was that he ran away from home. I thought I'd never see him again, and I can't say that bothered me. After they killed Voyta, I couldn't look him in the eye.
If you're not Voyta, who are you?
I told you. Voiticus ex Aridus.
You said it's the same thing, just in Latin. Besides, you're Czech as can be.
Very well. Originally it was, I don't seem to recall. My God! I haven't used my name in so long, I can't remember it anymore.
Why do you blame yourself for Voyta's death?
Because it was my fault. If I had been there for him when he needed me, I may as well have chased him into Burkhard's grasp myself.
What do you mean?
Well, just like in the Trotsky region, Burkhard gathered a band of lads around him, and Voyta was one of them. And me and Libor didn't like it. So we tried to convince him to stop. Only Burkhard found out, and he made an example out of Voyta for anyone who'd think to betray him.
What did you want me to see in the dugout?
Nothing specific, just the place itself. I used to spend time there with my friends when we were lads. We liked it there, and deaf Ludwig let us play there as much as we wanted.
The madman living there mentioned a deaf bloke called Ludwig.
I spent whole days up on the roof, just admiring the surroundings and drawing. That is, until I fell through it.
So you weren't going to tell me about Libor and Voyta?
I wanted to, but I didn't even know how to start. I suppose I was hoping if you see the place, it would help me somehow. And in the end, it did.
So the thing with Burkhard was purely revenge?
You could say that. I'd been fighting it for so long. But when I found out at Trotsky he was nearby, I couldn't hold back any longer.
That's enough for now. We can come back to it later.
To tell you the truth, since we got all the way here, I
Yeah.
have another favor to ask.
This would
Another
be.
one, I know.
Go on then. What is it?
You see, I'd be truly grateful if you could visit Voyta's grave and say a prayer for him. I reckon nobody's done that in years. I know I haven't.
Where can I find the grave?
Unfortunately, it's not exactly close. It's not even consecrated. Me and Libor had to bury him ourselves.
That must have been really hard.
It was, but that was so long ago now.
You know, we really do have a lot in common. I buried my parents, and you...
And you never stop thinking about it, even once you make your peace with it.
Wait, you still haven't told me where the grave is?
Ah, right. How can I... When we were lads, we found this tree near Messalis. It had 3 trunks. There was 3 of us. You know me. I thought it was a sign. And that's where we buried Voyta.
A tree with 3 trunks near Messalis. I'll be searching for that for a month. I need some better directions, Voyta. Wait, should I even call you that anymore?
If you don't mind, I'd prefer if you did. Most people call me Voyta, so you'd look like a madman calling me anything else.
So that's how you introduce yourself to others, too? Not just me?
Indeed. I suppose you might want to ask why. But I don't have a satisfying answer for you. Just so that his legacy lives on with every work I create.
I'm sorry, but
But,
I don't have
fuck
time
them.
for this. Maybe next time.
I want. I did. Oh man. Yeah, I'm sorry. I did not wanted to press this button. Let's go back. What kind of commission do we have to do? No.
Do you have any commissions for me?
Aye. Word travels fast about a skilled blacksmith.
You just
A
told me
woman
that before.
stopped by, saying she needs a new axe. Her old one fell apart, so she hopes one from you will be better.
Okay.
I'll get to it.
So motivated and full of energy. When you're finished, please bring it to her yourself.
Okay. I'll bring her some shafted axe. Sorry, I have to look what I need to smith. Journal. Knight's axe. We should have everything. Cavalry axe? What the fuck is that? 112. I don't think I have an axe that is... Horseman pick is better. This one is also better. And you can stab with it. Let's do this. Let's smith some axe. Do, 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 do. Heat this thing up. Do, 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 do. And it's getting white, so I put it on the anvil. Yellowish. And put it over. Good. Let's hope we can get the rhythm right this time. Turn it over.
Well, I've got half finished.
Come on, Henry, you can do this. I never made it so it was like all the time whistling.
And that's it.
Okay, perfect. Let's quench that thing. Come on. And then we have to go to sleep. Now sharpen it, go to sleep. And then talk to the rescuer. Maybe get a level up with both of them complete. That's burnt. Okay. Where is it? Oh, we have it already. Oh.
All right, done.
It's bloody. Okay, let's go to bed. To the costume. Okay, I will do this tomorrow. First things first, sleep and save. Lay down, full of blood. Sleep 9 hours, and then our sleeping status fully charged. Come on. Let's get up. Get up, get up. Fighting for your rights. Down we go. Around you go. So where do we have to deliver this thing? Oh, that's all bad. Let's go here, there, and there. Okay, this is a plan. Get me here. Right up here. Sorry.
What did I do to you?
Nothing. So I insulted you, so I can do something about you. Does that make any sense? Yeah. But the shadow of me looks nice. With the horns, see that? Yeah. 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 Just me eating forward. Let's talk this guy. Hello!
Guten Tag, mein Freund. Ich bin...
Master.
Grüß dich. Wie kann ich dir helfen, mein Freund?
I'm here about the stolen guild goods.
Und das sind gute Nachrichten? Did you find it?
Yeah, they're not too crazy. Even though they look cool. Okay.
Aye. Here you go. I hope I didn't forget anything.
Gut gemacht. I am glad you can be relied on, mein Freund. The other masters will be pleased that thanks to you, our guild suffered no loss.
You're
Glad I
welcome.
could help. If you need anything again, just call on me.
Vielen Dank. Gott möge Ihre Hand führen, mein Freund.
No, still no level up. Let's see, where's this place? Walk around up here, don't get stuck in the mud. Jump over, yes. Around this corner. And then we have to get through these narrow alleys. Around there we go. Where did this guy? Ah, purchase you, or why are you standing like that?
Lord be with you.
I have what you ordered.
I look so
Finally!
menacing.
I can't wait.
Even though the helmet now is not the
My
greatest.
word. Great
Ow,
work,
level up.
Blacksmith. Thank you.
Thank you for your trust. If you need anything, you know where to find me, good wife.
Take care now.
Servus.
Good day.
Who's this guy? The Ragman! I haven't seen you in quite a while.
Can I talk to you?
Sorry, we'll talk later.
Greetings.
I'll let you know.
Where is this guy here? So, but I don't think I'm high enough level to get like the Raven. Check that. Let's go over here. Let's see. I think I'm almost the last level. I think there's one more level up we have to get to finish everything. This is all done. I think this is it. 25. So one more level and then we get to it. Do we have something new here? No. Ah, too bad. But one more level, this should go.
What'll it be this fine morning?
So, anyways, thanks for watching. Until the next time, have a great time. Bye.